Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Flash Furniture Fielder 6-foot rectangular birchwood folding banquet table with metal edges and its complementary Amara Birchwood Bar Top Riser. This versatile table boasts a 6-foot rectangular birchwood hardwood top, complete with an aluminum edge band and sturdy silver powder-coated locking wishbone legs, offering seating for up to 8 adults and a remarkable 551-pound static load capacity. The table's contemporary design makes it perfect for rental businesses, banquet halls, restaurants, or even home use. Accompanying this is the 12-inch Birchwood Bar Top Riser, featuring silver legs and a 0.875-inch thick plywood core, providing extra serving space with its sleek birchwood surface and aluminum edge band. The banquet table measures an overall size of 30 inches wide by 72 inches deep and 30 inches high, while the riser stands at 72 inches wide, 11.75 inches deep, and 12 inches high. With its elegant design and robust construction, this folding table and riser set is ideal for any event or gathering. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.